Leading brands, going head to head. Who will stumble? Who will surprise? And who will be left standing? In this field, there can only be one alpha. Make my job easier, faster, more profitable. This is what owners and operators want. So give me a machine that has more strength, more speed, more control, and that is easier to maintain. So whose skid steers make the grade? Does Case have what it takes? We sent a global team of experts to Wichita to find out. We tested our Alpha series against their top competitors in several key areas, including controllability, down pressure for strength, stability, vertical lift and reach, serviceability, visibility, and lighting. So what happened? Case not only matched the competition at every turn, lift and dump, but in several challenges significantly outperformed them all. The Case Alpha series proved to have more power, greater agility, and even better visibility. And when it came to lighting and ground-level serviceability, Case could not be matched. Case is committed to building world-class machines that consistently deliver the best all-around performance and value that helps our customers compete and win in today's highly competitive construction marketplace. See for yourself and learn what it means to say, there can only be one Alpha.